Let me show you a place where the air is fresh, the land is wide open, and the possibilities are endless. We're in the beautiful Daniels Creek area of Oregon, and this property comes with 14.8 acres, a horse barn, and a private setting you'll fall in love with. Sure, it's a fixer, but for someone with the tools, the ideas, and the vision, this could be a dream project. First, the location. Daniels Creek is known for its quiet, rural charm. You're surrounded by trees, wildlife, and the sounds of nature, but you're still close enough to town when you need supplies or a night out. It's the perfect mix of peaceful seclusion and convenience. Now, about the home. Inside, you've got an open concept kitchen and living area, a great starting point for creating a warm, inviting space. Upstairs, there's a loft with extra bedrooms, so you've got flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. The fun part, you get to decide exactly what this home becomes. Go rustic and cozy, lean into a modern farmhouse style, or turn it into a sleek country getaway. It's all up to you. And then there's the horse barn. If you have horses, it's already ready to go, with space for tack, hay, and animals. But it doesn't have to stay a barn. Think workshop, storage, or even a creative studio. There's plenty of potential here. The land itself is the real star. Nearly 15 acres means room for gardens, trails, livestock, or simply keeping it natural and wild. The privacy here is something you just don't get in town. You can live life your way without the neighbors right on top of you. Now, a couple of important details. This is a cash-only sale, and it's being sold as is, meaning it's not financeable in its current condition. That's exactly why it's such a great opportunity for someone ready to roll up their sleeves and make it their own. And please, no drive-bys. The sellers value their privacy, so all showings need to be scheduled through your realtor. If you've been looking for land with space, privacy, and the chance to create exactly what you want, this could be the one. Bring your tools, bring your ideas, and get ready to transform this corner of Oregon into your own personal haven.